Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So this is kind of late at night, if you can't tell right here. In this pro tip, I'm going to be talking a little bit about, here, let me pull this out here. Man, sound like a double voice here, like I'm in an oil can. This pro tip is going to be about watching your measurements. So, if you look way down here, let's go down there. Boom, you can see that right there. If you notice, it looks like a bit of a double arch there. Well, I've got a new piece that I just formed on top of an old piece. That was the perfect in every way, except for the fact that it has the wrong arch to it. So I made some measurements, and unbeknownst to me, those measurements that I had made were incorrect. They were off by a clear 2.5 inches. When I wrote it down on my diagram here on my table, I transferred off. I meant to do 7 inches in between a specific space for calculating my arch, and I put it down as 9 inches or so. And so after I took into a little bit of wiggle room and things like that, it came up to being about 2.5 inches too tall. Well, the thing that sucks about this is I already had the frame welded together. I had the frame welded together since earlier today. I had a schedule to take and go and get this as a test fit at the client's house. Kind of went through my measurements one more time here closer towards the end of the day. Thought I was good, thought I could work on some other projects for a bit, and boy howdy was I wrong. So as you can see, it's nighttime, it's 0dark100, and this is one of those things, a very simple thing as a measurements that you guys have to kind of calculate into, say, the job. You know, anytime that you do a job, whether it's a fab job, a forging job, anything of that nature, it's really important to kind of calculate into your pricing mess ups like this. It's a simple mess up of 2 inches, but you know, I spent, I don't know, 2 hours or so working on the original arch, so I lost that because I didn't keep track of my measurements. I forged it correctly to the measurements I wrote down, but those measurements were wrong. So again, just a simple screw up like that can end up costing you man hours and labor and things like that. And again, you'll have to excuse the shaky cam footage. We'll be getting a gimbal sometime soon, hopefully, but you just have to put up with it. Anyways, excuse me. So how do I fix it? It's not a big deal. That's what an angle grinder and a welder is for. This is a fairly easy thing to fix, as this is just a fabrication job. So, you know, it's just a simple fabricated fireplace screen. So it'll be fairly easy to take and fix it at this point. What wouldn't have been so easy if I would have put all the ornamentation and everything else into the piece, all to find out that it's wrong. So double check, triple check, quadruple check, 15 times check, whatever that is. Check those measurements always, and you will have much better results in your final product, and you won't have lost downtime like this. So anyways, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to get back to work. Hopefully I can get it back into indoors and get some sleep before sunrise after I get this welded up and all caught up. But anyways, just wanted to share that. Again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to support other content like this video, you know, consider going and checking out our blacksmithpdfs.com website. We have a lot of information over there to help you as a blacksmith, both beginners, intermediate, and advanced level smiths over there, with power hammer plans and cheat sheets and all sorts of business helps and ebooks and things. So give that a check out if you like. And as always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.